What's going on, man?
Nothing, man. She just broke my windshield.
How did she do that?
With the leash.
With
dog leash.
A dog leash?
Yeah. See how I bent it?
She bent the car too with it?
Yeah. Just like that. I mean, she hit it multiple times though.
Okay. What did this all stem over?
I didn't want to talk to her this morning. I had got some child support papers in the mail this morning for my baby mama, so I was really just quiet this morning. You know how men are. Yeah. So I was just quiet, staying to myself. She was asking me, "Hey, what's wrong with you?" But I didn't want to talk because like I'm over here thinking about what I'm gonna do. So I didn't. We get here. She talking about something. You're cheating ass. This, that, and the third. She see me texting my baby mama. You're cheating ass. This, that, and the third. Then she go to snapping, go in there and run back in the house and shit. So I'm like, damn, can you bring my dog out at least? Because she got to work tomorrow. So that's what we usually do. I get my dog, all right, I'm finna leave. Man, she bring my dog out. She go to throwing shit in my car and hit me. And then from there, bro, I'm like, literally, her mama came out, tried to stop her, you feel me, from trying to hit me or whatever she was doing. And then from there, I guess her mama like moved out the way because she went to swing. And then, yeah, she did that. That's it.
Was she hitting you at all?
No. This right here happened from the dog.
Okay.
Happened from the dog. Yeah, I'm straight.
Okay.
What's in your car?
So,
a leash.
The dog leash when she brought the dog out.
Got from the leash too?
Hell yeah. She was hitting that bit.
Whose car is this car? Yours and hers, or just yours?
No. This is just me right here. Okay. But it's in my mom's name.
What do you want done with it? You want to press charges?
Hell yeah. She done put me in jail before and I never did shit. So I feel like this is her get back.
Okay. What's your name?
Talya.
Hey, slow down.
You cannot go here.
No, I'm gonna hold on to you.
That's crazy. He put his hands on me for years and went to jail for the shit. And he starts this shit on my property and I get arrested. That's crazy. His mother can tell you this has anger issues. Everybody can tell you that. That is the aggressor. And I defend myself.
Well, let's just say if it.
That's crazy.
Let's just say if it happens again.
No, that's cool.
You need to call us if it happens again if he touches you.
We've been calling the police, but it's cool. The hell, that shit's cool.
Stop right here real quick. You need pockets on you? Okay, anything on you at all? Tucked in your bra or anything? Can you answer the question? If anything goes, if they find anything on you at the jail, another felony, okay? This side. Put down in the vehicle. Drop those rags out of your hand. Littering. Sick.
So, she's going to jail for domestic battery. She'll be charged.
Destruction of property?
Well, yeah, she'll also be charged with. I have some more paperwork for you to fill out for that. For pressing charges for the window.
How do you know if the insurance? Like, do I have to get a statement from you guys with insurance?
I'm not sure how insurance works. Do you have full coverage on the car?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm not exactly sure. I know full coverage has to replace the window for free, as long as it's cracked. Other insurance, I'm not sure. Some give you one a year.
Bro.
Some give you one a year to replace. Either way, she's gonna have to pay for it. Now, this is your willingness to prosecute for the window. Okay, if you do not want to prosecute, you fill out the top part. If you desire to prosecute, you fill out the bottom part.
And this is where she has to pay?
Yeah, this is going to prosecute her for the window.
Right.
The state picks up the charges for hitting you with the leash and all that stuff and swinging it at you. So if you just want to put your name there. What this is, when she gets out of jail, before they release her, they're going to call you and let you know that she's being released. Just so you're aware that she's coming out, because it's domestic.
And this is the shit I be talking about, bro. Like, they make it seem like I want to come out here.
Yeah.
But like, the only reason I come out here is for her. You feel me? I be trying to keep shit cool, and to come out here to this bullshit, bro. This shit is crazy every time. Like how we can't be adults about this shit, bro. This shit crazy. Contact name. What else?
And y'all can check his car too. There's weed in there. That's what he wanted.
I'm good. I'm not here for that.
Based on the witness statements and their investigation, officers placed Talya under arrest. She was charged with domestic aggravated battery and criminal mischief. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.